In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, worthy and honorable great scholars, and the successor of dome and pulpit. It is heinous propaganda of enemies of Islam to consider the family of the Holy Prophet ﷺ separate from the companions of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, or to narrate the fellows of the Holy Prophet ﷺ enemies to the family of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. I would like to describe certain facts before you so that it should be clear how the leader of true fellows, devoted lover, the Holy Prophet ﷺ, successor to Muhammad, dedicated to the great messenger, Hazrat Siddiq Akbar, had matchless lover to the personality of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Similarly, he is repleted with honor and respect for each member of the family of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And he used to show prestige to each member of the family of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, even more than his even family. Honorable scholars, the great Hazrat Abu Bakr says before Hazrat Ali and Sayyida Zahra, which is evident to demonstrate the true reality. By God, the close ones of Rasulullah are dearer than my own close ones. And I love the relatives of the Holy Prophet ﷺ more than my own relatives. The great Hazrat Ali one day comes before the great messenger of Allah. And there is such a huge rush of the companions of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And there was not a single seat vacant for Hazrat Ali. Immediately, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq stands up from his seat and requests him to have a seat. On looking this great scene of mature respect and reverence, the crown of the universe says in these words, O Abu Bakr, the people of honors respect the people of honors. Honorable scholars, at Ghadir Khum, when the great messenger of Allah holds the hand of Mawla Ali and announces, Ali is also the Mawla of whose Mawla I am. At the same time, Hazrat Abu Bakr and Farooq Azam stood at once, embraced and congratulated to Hazrat Ali in these words. O Ali, son of Abu Talib, the great congratulations to you, honor from today onward. You have become the Mawla for everyone who believes. Honorable scholars, Hazrat Aisha says in these words, whenever my father joins any meeting or processions, he keeps on watching the beautiful face of Hazrat Ali. The mother of believers asks that, my dear father, whenever you join the company of fellows, you keep on watching the face of Hazrat Ali. Hazrat Abu Bakr replied that, O Aisha, the great messenger of Allah says that it is also a great worship to see the face of Hazrat Ali. Imam Jalaluddin Sayyuti narrated the narrator of Hadith, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Just imagine the love of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq with Hazrat Ali when him during Khalif period. Mawla Ali is also appointed on the central member of the parliament. And he was also awarded on title of Chief Justice. And he was also appointed on Commander-in-Chief of the Army, deputed for the security of Medina. One of glimpse of respect of the family of the Holy Prophet ﷺ by Siddiq Akbar, narrated by Imam Bukhari in this word, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq pays tribute on making Imam Hassan Mustaba sitting over his shoulders. O Hassan, may my father sacrifice for you. Your appearance resembles with the Holy Prophet and not with Ali. Hazrat Ali sitting nearby and started smiling. Honorable scholars, Imam Muhammad Baqir being asked that whether the jewel is right to use with sword, he replied in affirmation while quoting that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq is also used the sword, jewel with sword. The man asked, if you call him Siddiq as well? Hazrat Imam Muhammad Baqir jumped over and replied that yes, he is Siddiq, he is Siddiq, he is certainly Siddiq. One who does not call him Siddiq He is liar in thin word and the word hereafter. Thank you very much.